So, hi, sir. I'm Angelica Labaidan, and I'm here to summary the chapter 4 about operations management in service-oriented businesses in tourism and hospitality. Um, this operations management in service-oriented business is transforms the output into the output for customers who will buy. And for the hospitality operations, it can help the managers to decide in what business tools and technologies they can use to assist them in achieving their goals to their businesses. Also, this chapter will help and introduce some of the businesses tools and technologies that they can use to make their business run smoothly and set with the high standards. So what is the operation management? So short explanation for operation management is it is the managing the activities that transforms into raw materials and labor into products and services that the customers will buy. And also the administration of a businesses. It also has practices, processes, and structure to maximize efficiency and the profit. So there are some activities that we need to remember to acquire some resources and transform it into a saleable outputs. So first is planning. So planning includes and understands the final output and also to identify the process that will make the output valuable. Next one is the decisions. Decisions is need to be matched the requirements of the process and the expectations of the marketing personnel in charge of selling its output. Next one is the organizing, grouping the employees into teams and make the operation to work together and apply the techniques needed to transform the product into something saleable. For the for the fourth one is the leading. Leading is to provide the incentives and the work plans so that the team will perform the expected time and the parameters. Last one is controlling. Controlling is the consistency of the service and reliability of the delivery. So, what are the common issues of the managers? So, there are several issues that the operation managers face. First one is the gathering the information from the sales and marketing personnel about customers' orders. The second one is ensuring the availability of supply. Third one is maintaining the quality of inputs to business and the outputs of the operations. Um, Fourth one is maintaining processing time. Fifth, monitoring the process. And for the last one, activities, expert, activities, expertise, and technologies to resolve the above operations. So next one is what are the businesses tools and technologies that address the operation management concerns. So the concerns can be addressed with the appropriate business tools and technologies. So there are some businesses tools and technologies that helps the streamline operations process. So first is the telephones, second one is the emails, third is recording, keeping and data processing, and next one is the manuals, next is the audits, and for the last one is the internet. So that is the businesses tools and technologies that can help the operations of the hospitality organizations that can fulfill the orders efficiently and also make the businesses make their work more easier. That's all.